guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be styling my hair using a new brand that I have not tried yet, and the name of the brand is TreLuxe. So I'm going to be starting with the Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. This rinse is sulfate free and good for all curl types, and also color safe, which is perfect for my hair because obviously I have colored natural hair. Well, the benefits of this product is that it has amino acids that hydrate, strengthen, and define your hair. Well, I am just going to start by dampening my curls. And y'all, I am working on this old twist out from the mini twist that I did a couple of weeks ago. So my hair definitely needs cleansing. I'm just working this through, and y'all know I like to wash my hair in sections. So I'm just going to go section by section and cleanse my scalp. So if you have been a subscriber of my channel for a while, or at least watched a good amount of my hair care videos, I normally focus or like to focus the cleanser or shampoo, whatever I'm using, on my scalp. And just when I rinse it out, that is when I let the cleanser just hit the rest of the strands of my hair. Alright, so I am getting ready to rinse this shampoo out, and we'll be back with the next step. So I will see you guys in a second. Hey guys, so I am back from rinsing the cleanser out of my hair, and let me just tell y'all that that is normally the test for me on how much I really like a cleanser, and it was super easy to detangle my hair as I was rinsing the cleanser out. So the cleanser definitely gets a thumbs up for me. So next we're gonna go in with the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. So this conditioner contains no parabens, no silicones, no sulfates, or artificial color. And it also has coconut milk, slippery elm extract, and broccoli seed oil. I am just going to go ahead and part my hair into 4 sections like I always do to detangle my hair. And I'm going to add a bit of the conditioner to each section of hair. And the cool thing about this line, they just have this leave-in conditioner, so it's basically a 3-step styling process, which saves so much time. So yeah, I'm super excited to see how my hair will turn out. Oh my god, this smells so good, y'all. This is giving me like holiday spice, cinnamon. It smells really cinnamony. Y'all, I don't even know how to say that, but has a cinnamon smell. So this smells so good. So when I'm detangling my hair, I always like to finger detangle first. It makes the process a lot easier. And then I will go in with a wide tooth comb. So now I'm going to go in with my comb, and I always start at the very ends of my hair and just move really slowly and make sure you detangle the ends good first. So I am done deep conditioning all 4 sections of my hair, and my hair feels really soft, y'all. It was actually pretty easy to detangle my hair. So next I'm going to go in with the curl styling serum. This is more of a gel consistency, and I'm just going to add a little bit of this, and then after that I'm going to add a little bit of the cream. So y'all, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be using both together, but I'm going to try it. And so we're gonna be doing a braid and curl. I haven't done a braid and curl in a really long time, so let's get started. And Reflex is the name of the serum. Just gonna add a really small amount. I'm not gonna do a lot at all. And y'all, my braid outs normally do not last me a long time, which is why I don't like doing them. But after doing those mini twists so tiny, I don't mind trying to do these braids a little bit smaller to see if that will help them last longer or help the style last a bit longer. Oh y'all, this cream smells so good. I love the smell of all of these products. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see that, but I literally just put just a tiny bit of gel and I'm rubbing that in. And then on top of that, add a little bit of the cream styler. And then you just want to divide your hair into 3 even sections. And then I'm going to stop a couple of inches up and add a perm rod. And I'm just going to repeat this exact same steps in each section of this hair. So I finally have all of my braids installed. I'm going to let these dry overnight, and I'm going to try my best to not sit under the dryer, but my hair does take a pretty long time if I don't sit under the dryer. So I'm going to try to air dry, and then I will be back tomorrow and show you guys the final results. Hey guys, so it's the next day and my hair should be completely dry. I tried to let the majority of my hair dry overnight, but I did sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes to dry my hair the rest of the way. I'm just gonna start unraveling the perm rods first. So yeah, it's dry. We are in the clear. So I can already feel the moisture in this first braid that I've taken down. We're gonna go ahead and start separating, and then y'all already know, start picking it out. Now this is crazy that a leave-in conditioner and just the styling products made my hair this soft. I'm probably not gonna separate it a ton. I'm just probably gonna do more picking. I don't think I need to do a lot of picking with this, y'all, so I wish y'all could feel my hair right now. It feels so soft. I'm really liking how this came out. TreLuxe did its thing on my hair, so I am extremely pleased with the entire 3-step wash day, y'all. And keep in mind that we only did 3 steps, so save some time, and hair still came out slayed. Like we slayed. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the back. Well, this coronavirus has really made me step up my self-care routine, y'all. I have been doing facials each week, steaming my face, using my face masks, definitely sticking with my same hair care routines, washing, conditioning. I'm trying to come out of quarantine cute. I don't know about y'all. So now is the perfect time to go ahead and get you some new hair products while you at it, so you can also come out of quarantine cute with popping curls. So these products can be found at Walgreens and also at the TreLuxe website that I will be listing below in the description box. So y'all make sure you shop. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.